Gentlemen, welcome. Good morning.
Good morning.
Chuck, good to see you.
Nice to see
Chris,
you.
Michael, Thomas, how we doing, gentlemen? Everybody good this morning?
Yes, sir. Body out here.
Got a lovely day to get started. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to start with a couple of different sessions. First session, we're going to look at just practice procedures, how we practice, what we practice. We're going to talk about swing planes in another lesson. We're going to talk about the short game, some putting, some chipping, some things like that. And work on really the entire game. And talk about why your game is where it is, how we practice, how can we practice better, making practice more fun. We're going to talk about club fitting. We're going to talk about a little bit of everything over these 4 lessons. So, first thing I'd like to do is talk to me a little bit about your game. Tommy, your game is fairly consistent. You hit it straight. You've done enough that you get around the golf course in a pretty good number. Were you mid-80s all the time when you play?
Mid-80s to mid-90s. I range right through there.
Okay.
You know, it's sometimes I have good days, sometimes I have bad days.
Okay.
But yeah, it's I just need to get a little more consistent to keep it in the 80s.
Well, I think consistency would work for all of us.
Yeah.
Mike?
Shoot right around 80 most
Okay.
of the time. I'd really like to get some more distance.
Okay.
I think that'd help my game.
All right. What's your biggest problem? Are you looking strategically to get longer? Or
Longer, yes.
Just longer.
Just
okay.
longer.
Straight's not a problem. You can
No.
find your golf ball in most shots, right?
Most of the time, yes.
Okay. Chris, we've played enough. I've got a vary of, I've seen the good, the bad, and the challenge, but I think your golf swing is always one that we can work on, and I think the two of you and Chuck as well. So tell me a little bit about your game and where you are. And what
In
you
mid
like
80s
to-
most of the time.
what you
Biggest
like to-
nemesis is the slice.
Okay.
I mean, I like to call it a fade, but when it slices, it gets me in trouble, and then I've got too far to get to the green. So, trying to make greens in regulation with a short slice drive just makes it difficult. Short game isn't too bad, and putting is probably the savior.
Okay. Well, I've seen you make some putts that pros would be favorable of. Chuck, how about your game? What's going on? We've had many years of playing together, and I've seen.
My game is good off the tee, long irons, chipping and putting on occasion. I can never put it all together, and I'm lately consistently in the 90s. My biggest problem is coming over the top.
Okay. What do you find? I see most of the time when we play together, you're falling backwards.
Right.
We've discussed this at length, and I know you like the pillow version of putting your head on the pillow and trying to do that. So let's. It sounds like we've got a couple of us working on the same thing. So why don't we do this? Let's grab a club. Let's start with a 7. Grab your 7 irons. Let's hit a couple balls, and we're just going to look at each other's swing, get loose, and try and warm up a little bit and go from